Welcome to Sleepy History Channel. You can settle in now, letting your body rest and your mind soften. This time is just for calmness and quiet thoughts. You are in a safe space, a gentle space, where nothing needs to be hurried or understood all at once. You can allow your attention to drift slowly, comfortably over soft and steady observations. Everything you hear here is meant to be calm, quiet, and simple. There is no need to react. You can simply listen and feel the ease of gentle, measured words. The universe is vast. Its scale stretches beyond what we normally imagine, quietly surrounding us in all directions. One single light from a distant star can take millions of years to reach our eyes, moving slowly across unimaginable distances. In this way, each moment of observation is already a look into the deep past, a calm reminder of how vast time and space truly are. The stars you see tonight are not the stars of now, but of a long ago. Traveling steadily through empty space, you can allow yourself to sink into this thought, noticing how still and vast it all is. There is no urgency in these moments. You are not required to understand, only to notice the calm repetition of quiet facts, each existing in its own gentle space. The planets in our solar system move along their paths with precise, slow motions. Their orbits are constant, predictable, and smooth. The Earth, for instance, takes a full year to circle the Sun, moving in a path that has remained largely unchanged for thousands of years. Even the smallest celestial objects have quiet rhythms. The Moon circling Earth moves gently in a cycle that is repeated for millions of years. Its surface carries marks of past impacts, each crater a testament to time passing softly without urgency. You might imagine the surface as a calm, ancient landscape resting in quiet stillness, unaffected by haste. Asteroids scattered through the solar system drift with steady motion. Some are small, others much larger, but all follow paths determined by gravity in peaceful arcs around the sun. Comets move similarly, with their icy bodies gliding in long, slow loops, sometimes taking hundreds or thousands of years to return to the inner solar system. Their tails are delicate, composed of vaporized ice and dust, flowing gently away as they pass close to the sun. Even light travels in a calm, unhurried way. Photons move across the universe at the fastest speed possible, yet the distances are so vast that it can take billions of years for them to reach us. Each beam of light carries information from a distant time, arriving softly and steadily, a quiet messenger from the cosmos. This light illuminates planets, moons, and stars with a gentle presence that is constant and reassuring. Nebulae, clouds of gas and dust, stretch across vast regions of space. Their forms are slow to change, shaped by gravitational forces that pull gently and persistently. Colors and textures swirl quietly, forming patterns that are soft and diffuse. Stars are born from these clouds, slowly condensing material over millions of years until fusion begins and new light is born. Galaxies move through space with calm momentum. Their stars rotate in unison, creating large, beautiful shapes that persist over billions of years. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, rotates steadily with its spiral arms stretching out in gentle curves. Within it, countless stars and planets exist quietly, each moving along paths determined by natural forces. The universe itself is expanding, though so slowly that the motion is imperceptible in everyday life. Galaxies drift apart at a steady pace, a calm widening of space itself. This expansion is constant, ongoing, and predictable, without haste or abruptness. Dark energy, though invisible, acts gently to maintain this slow growth, allowing space to stretch and carry its contents along a steady path. Black holes, though often described as powerful, can also be considered gentle in their own quiet way. They exert a strong pull on nearby matter, yet this process unfolds over long stretches of time. Surrounding gases spiral inward in a gradual dance, forming rings and streams that move predictably toward the center. Even in the presence of immense forces, the motions are orderly and precise, not chaotic in the immediate sense. Stars age gradually. A star like our sun shines steadily for billions of years, consuming hydrogen in a slow, measured process. Its energy is released softly into space, radiating warmth and light without sudden bursts. When it reaches the end of its life, it will expand gently into a red giant, a quiet transformation that takes place over many thousands of years. The planets, too, carry histories of gentle change. Surfaces wear down slowly under erosion, winds, and precipitation. Mountains form and diminish over immense spans of time. Oceans shift, currents flow in persistent cycles, and climates adjust in long, calm patterns. The Earth itself is in continuous motion, yet the pace is unhurried, steady, and reliable. Even atoms, the smallest units of matter, follow calm rules. Electrons orbit nuclei in steady patterns dictated by nature, vibrations and spins occurring constantly yet predictably. These microscopic motions are foundational to all that exists, quietly sustaining structures without noise or disturbance. Across the universe, magnetic fields stretch unseen. They guide charged particles slowly along invisible paths. Cosmic rays move through these fields in quiet journeys, interacting with nothing more than subtle forces. These fields are gentle sculptors, shaping environments over long spans of time with calm persistence. Planets beyond our solar system, exoplanets, also move in orbits around distant stars. Some are rocky, some gaseous, and some icy, yet all maintain a quiet regularity. Observations of these worlds remind us that motion is constant, slow, and deliberate throughout space. Each system carries its own unique rhythms, all of which exist calmly alongside countless others. The cosmic microwave background, a faint glow left over from the earliest stages of the universe, is soft and steady. Its temperature is uniform across the sky, a quiet reminder of time stretching back billions of years. This background hums without sound, a gentle signature of the universe's long and steady evolution. Satellites and artificial objects also move with calm precision. They follow programmed paths around Earth, silently orbiting while maintaining predictable motion. Their presence is steady and controlled, a small echo of natural celestial mechanics observed in miniature. Gravity itself is gentle in its constancy. It pulls objects toward one another without abruptness, guiding the paths of planets, moons, and stars in quiet, persistent arcs. Its effects are universal and predictable, a steady hand across all scales of space. Meteor showers, though they appear sudden to our eyes, are the result of quiet processes. Dust and small rocks from comets enter Earth's atmosphere, burning slowly in thin trails of light. The patterns are repeating annual and calm, marking time without urgency. Pulsars, spinning remnants of collapsed stars, emit light and radio waves in regular intervals. Each pulse is steady, predictable, and rhythmic, a quiet beacon from across space. Their rotations may seem rapid, yet their cycles are constant, a gentle repetition that persists for millions of years. The universe is filled with quiet motions, from the vast flow of galaxies to the smallest vibrations of subatomic particles. Every fact, every movement exists without rush in an endless rhythm that can be noticed without effort. Observing these processes can be calming, each one a soft reminder of the gentle order underlying everything. Even cosmic dust drifts slowly through space. Microscopic grains move along predictable paths, accumulating in nebulae or forming part of future stars and planets. Their motion is quiet, unhurried, and persistent, contributing to larger structures without any sense of haste. Dark matter, though invisible, exerts a silent influence. Its presence guides the motion of galaxies, providing structure and balance. This influence is constant, steady, and gentle, shaping the cosmos in ways we cannot immediately perceive but can understand in principle. In every corner of space, light bends gently around massive objects. Gravitational lensing causes soft distortions in the appearance of distant galaxies, a subtle shaping of light that occurs slowly and predictably. These effects are quiet and precise, offering evidence of the presence of mass without disturbance. Planets rotate on their axes with calm regularity. The Earth completes one rotation in roughly 24 hours, a slow, even motion that sets the rhythm of day and night. Other planets rotate at different speeds, yet each maintains its cycle steadily over long periods, a quiet reminder of order and movement. Moons of distant planets orbit steadily. Some are large, some small, but each follows its path reliably. Tidal forces act slowly over time, shaping surfaces and influencing oceans without abrupt change. The cycles of moons and their parent planets exist in quiet harmony, a steady dance across space. Astrophysical jets, emitted from certain stars and black holes, extend vast distances in narrow streams. Their motion is steady and directed, moving at high speeds yet in a calm,